How to take a long exposure photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app is a versatile tool for capturing photos and videos, offering various shooting modes, editing features, and quick access options. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow in the middle. Now, go to the options below and tap on the live icon. Then, select on to turn the live effect on. And then, tap on the capture button to take a live photo. After that, go back and open up the Photos app. Open the photo you just took to view it. Here, tap on the live button at the top left corner. Select long exposure from here. Following these steps, you can easily take a long exposure photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.